all begins with a dream, a delusion with no limits. One that sets you apart, one that makes your path. People may doubt you, but it's normal to ponder. It's odd not to falter. Add faith, because it inspires. Inspires the ordinary to be somebody.
Hi guys, I'm Rohit Khandelwal, Mr. World 2016. I believe the most important quality for Mr. World is being humble. Because the more you're humble, you think positive in your life. And if you think positive, you are successful.
Rohit's achievement has weaved new dreams, brought new hope, raised the bar of Indian manliness to world-class standards.
I'm here as a mentor to all the contestants of Peter England Mr. India 2016.
Get ready as the Mr. World Rohit Khandelwal begins the search for his heir. One who adheres to the title for ultimate manhood in this country.
Work very hard and anything is possible in life. And when you follow your passion, it's never a struggle.
Don't rest till it becomes part of your life. Peter England Mr. India 2016. Hydrated by Ocean Active.
We've raised the bar. We've upped the game. As the hunt for India's most desirable man is back with a bang. After bottling down the thousands in Chandigarh, Delhi, Bangalore and now in Mumbai, we shall have our top 16 most desirable men of our country. This is Peter England Mr. India 2016. Be everything you love.
आज जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं सबका एक ही सपना है कि वो पीटर इंग्लैंड मिस्टर इंडिया 2016 के टाइटल अपने साथ लेके जाएं।
इस बारी और भी ज़्यादा लोग आए हैं और enthusiasm के साथ and is really buzzing here and I'm really glad that Rohit Khandelwal won Mr. World 2016 because उसके जीतने की वजह से अब इंडिया में और ज़्यादा level and passion आ गए।
मैं बहुत दिनों से तैयारी कर रहा हूँ पीटर इंग्लैंड मिस्टर इंडिया 2016 के लिए एंड फाइनली आज मैं रजिस्ट्रेशन लाइन में खड़ा हूँ and hoping for the best.
These guys, they've got the look. I mean, most of your girls would right swipe them. और मेरे भी कुछ hot favorites हैं, but वो मैं आपसे share नहीं करूँगी. Now, since it's time to pick our top finalists, it's time that these guys get some more feminine air around them to flaunt themselves. Hence, please join me in welcoming our celebrity judge, hot, stunning, and very gorgeous Sophie Chaudhary.
One always looks for somebody who's confident, has got charisma. It's not just about a worked out body, it's about being different, being unique in a special way. I think Mr. India needs to be a real man.
हमें लगा हम उन्हें स्टेज पे ही देखेंगे, आमना सामना वहाँ पे होगा, बट पहले एकदम से वेटिंग एरिया में आके सबको हैरान कर दिया था उन्होंने। वहाँ पे बैठ के उन्होंने हमें पर्सनल अपनी एडवाइसेस भी दी, अपनी ओपिनियंस दी।
Mr. World 2016, how does it feel? Isn't it like a deja vu moment for you right now?
Definitely guys. And I was just standing like this. Honestly, I thought I'll not even clear one round because there's so many good looking guys and my body, everything was not as good as I thought it should be. But believe you me, only one thing that changed everything is the confidence. I thought I won't be able to win national contest, but I won the international one. So anything is possible. All the very best, guys. Rock it.
So all the contestants who have registered themselves today will have to go through 2 rounds of auditions. In the first one, they will be judged on their physical attributes, confidence, and that perfect body. And the second one being the talent round. So let's see how the boys perform.
आप देख सकते हो सब लोग यहाँ पर स्विमिंग ट्रंक्स में। अब फर्स्ट राउंड होने वाला है जिस पे हमारी बॉडी को देखा जाएगा। आपको लगता है कि आपकी बॉडी सबसे अच्छी होगी, बट जब वहाँ लोगों को देखा कि सबके जब ट्रंक्स के अंदर आए यार, मतलब हर दूसरे बंदे की बॉडी बहुत अच्छी थी, तो कंपटीशन बहुत हाई सेट था।
So do you know what the most important thing for supermodels is?
Yeah, to carry yourself perfectly and to have right attitude. Body and looks everyone has.
पहले राउंड में मुझे लगता है जजेस आपका सबसे पहले कॉन्फिडेंस देखेंगे कि आप डिजर्व भी करते हैं वहाँ पे उनके सामने खड़े होना या नहीं।
Are you nervous right now?
A bit.
Of
course, you're all
touching yourself
great people.
everywhere while talking. So just relax.
Hold the mic.
जजेस एक्चुअली सब लोग ही एक्टिव थे, वो लोग सब देख रहे थे आपको अंदर, लाइक आपकी बॉडी से लेकर आपका एटीट्यूड, आपका आई कॉन्टैक्ट, हाउ यू वॉक, हाउ यू टर्न, हाउ यू पोज।
I'm very disappointed if you had time to prepare. That's the best that you could do. It's really disheartening.
The age of 17, 18, were you doing overhead weights?
After 12th, I started using weights.
I think you compromised your height because of that, because you could have been taller. When there are hundreds of boys competing and you need only 16, how do you choose that final 16?
My name is Colin Jacob. I'm born and raised in Guwahati, but my roots are from Kerala.
So you're somebody who moves around a lot.
I like moving around. I like exploring places, and yes,
So you're a bit like a Mr. World, like living in different places.
someday.
I used to go to college. People used to look at me and he's very thin. I look at him, he won't even get any girls. And it's like, Bacha, you do one thing, you build your body. Then you will get girls.
You did work.
It worked, it really worked.
Good.
Trust me, it worked.
I'm very happy for you.
You know, today's been one of the toughest finalist rounds I've ever come across at Mr. India. So many of them good-looking, talented, great bodies. What is the benchmark going to be? So is it going to be the talent round? Because that's the last round left.
हर किसी इंसान में एक ऐसी चीज़ होती है जो दूसरे के पास नहीं होती है, then that's talent. And how are they really working on it? And आज हमारे talent round में I'm sure सारे contestant कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा prepare करके आए जो judges को impress कर सके.
Work a little harder on it because there's guys who are very, very good. So I just want to say to all of you that don't let your talent be the thing that lets you down.
The quality of candidates who had come in today had put our judges in a tough spot. But they have taken the decision and picked the most deserving finalists who will go through a life-changing journey. तो देखते हैं कौन है वो lucky finalist.
Okay, guys, here we go. The top 16 of 2016.
we finally have our top 16 contestants, and you keep watching Peter England, Mr. India 2016 only on Zoom.
Monsieur Desbonnes.